Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 2nd Subject English.
Good morning students, welcome to 2nd Standard English online class. Students, in the last class lesson 2 completed, today we are going to learn about book exercise in lesson 2. So take our English second term book, take page number 20. Okay, first exercise comprehension. Okay, write complete answer to the following questions. First question, what did the fir tree have? What did the fir tree have? Answer, the fir tree had dark green needles and a thick and straight trunk. The fir tree had dark green needles and a thick and straight trunk. Second question, the fir tree wished for 3 kinds of leaves. List them. A. Gold leaves. B. Glass leaves. C. Broad and smooth green leaves. Third question, who granted the wishes of the fir tree? Answer, the wood fairy granted the wishes of the fir tree. Fourth question, what did the robber do? Answer, the robber plucked all the gold leaves from the fir tree. Fifth one, what did the strong and cruel wind do? Answer, the strong and cruel wind broke the glass leaves into small pieces. Sixth question, what did the billy goats do? Answer, the billy goats eat the broad and smooth green leaves. Seventh question, what did the fir tree ask for finally? The fir tree asked for its own green needles back. Own green needles back. Okay students, next exercise B, vocabulary. What is something? What is something? B1. Read the lesson and look for the words and phrases for something, then write them in the blanks. Okay, first one, the wood fairy touched the fir tree with something. The wood fairy touched the fir tree with something. Dashla magic wand. Write பண்ணிக்கோங்க, magic wand. Second one, the sparkling glass leaves broke into something. Small pieces. Dashla small pieces. Okay, third one, the billy goats said something to the fir tree. The billy goats said, answer, we are very hungry. We will eat all the leaves. We are very hungry. We will eat all the leaves. Fourth one, finally the fir tree said to the wood fairy, you'll never be something again. Dashla discontented. Discontented. Okay, next opposites. Opposite dis. Read the following sentences. Everyone dislikes a dishonest person. The opposite of like is made by writing this before it. The opposite of honest is made by writing this before it. This means not. Dis plus like, dislike, not like. Dis plus obey, disobey, not obey. Okay, exercise B2. Write this before the following words and then write the complete word. First one, dis plus contented, discontented. Second one, dis plus honest, dishonest. Third one, dis plus please, displease. Fourth one, dis plus agree, disagree. Fifth one, dis plus obedient, disobedient. Sixth one, dis plus appear, disappear. Okay, once again repeat it. Dis plus honest, dishonest. Dis plus please, displease. Fourth one, dis plus agree, disagree. Fifth one, dis plus obedient, disobedient. Sixth one, dis plus appear, disappear. Next, B. Filling the blanks with words from the above list. First one, look, the moon is going to disappear. Dashla, disappear behind the clouds. Look, the moon is going to disappear behind the clouds. Second one, the discontented fir tree lived in a thick forest. The discontented fir tree lived in a thick forest. Third one, a disobedient child does not do what his parents and teachers tell him to do. Third one, a disobedient child does not do what his parents and teachers tell him to do. Okay, next fourth one, Mr. Gill, your son is very rude. Mr. Verma, no, I disagree. He is a very polite child. Answer, disagree. Fourth one, Lalo tells lies and steals things. He is a dishonest person. He is a dishonest person. Okay, students, we will see in the next online class. Thank you.